close your eyes. Clients often ask agents, what is the best option to buy a villa in a budget of 2 million euros at Costa Blanca? This is not an easy question, but today I will show you a perfect choice what to buy inside 2 million euros villa at Costa Blanca. And I will give you 7 reasons why to choose this option. This model of a villa I will show you as an example that you can get fully customized to get constructed in the best developed area, Cumbre del Sol. And the best developer is going to build it for you in 18 months with a bank warranty. Entering this terrace, you have these boundless views where you can do in 5 minutes tour around the area. Let me give you 7 reasons to buy a project like this. Top-level privacy from inside and outside. From outside, no one will see you because villas are situated in particular way. And inside, areas are constructed so even when you have children or guests, you will have your personal area. Number 6. You can initiate the project starting from 30% of first payment, and the construction will be finished in 18 months with bank warranty for your money. Number 5. You can select out of 10 different modern models of villas and select one of thousands panoramic plots of this development part and realize project there. Number 4. You can buy together with your friends or colleagues and make a community in this perfect development area. Number 3. Buying a villa in this area, you will join the best Costa Blanca infrastructure. In 5-10 minutes drive, you will have the biggest international school, Lady Elizabeth, shops, restaurants, places of interest, and paddle and tennis courts. Reason number 2. When buying a villa in this area at Costa Blanca, you join a market that grows 10 years in a row by 10% averagely yearly. So besides a villa, you will get a nice investment. And finally, reason number 1. You will never use TV here, because this picturesque area is changed every second. This villa with 3 bedrooms has an area of useful place inside 200 square meters and 150 square meters of terraces, has its own pool, and is priced almost 1,700,000 euros. Push like to this video and subscribe to our channel not to miss a single review of beautiful villas and apartments at Costa Blanca from our team of Costa Blanca Top.